How's it going, guys? Today we will be doing the LED bulb swap for the reverse lights. I'll be doing this on a 2015 GMC Sierra Denali. I did do aftermarket taillights and third light, and both of them call for you to reuse the factory halogen bulb, as you can see there. So I'm just going to swap these out. These new ones will be a lot brighter and help you see at night. For those of you wondering, I am at a hotel. Travel on the road for construction, so got to do stuff on the fly. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna I'll get a video when I have an LED on one side and a halogen on the other. That way you guys can see the difference. So for these bulbs, everybody has different preferences. I found I wanted to go pretty cheap. I found these Ala Lighting premium LED bulbs. They're not top of the line, you know, as far as price goes and everything, but I bought some fog lights through them and had real good luck with that. So they come with the 1-year warranty. Figure why not for, you know, 18 bucks or so on Amazon. So here we're gonna get started. We got 2 Phillips heads. Bag those out. Set those somewhere they won't fall. Now this guy should get hands back here, and it'll pull straight back towards the back of the vehicle and pop right out. So now what you're gonna do, find the socket that your reverse bulb's connected to. I'm actually going to use a pair of channels for this. There's 2 tabs, some wing tabs there, and I accidentally snapped mine off when I started turning on it. So this should just spin out. Be gentle, it's a plastic part. So there you go. So this guy's gonna pull straight out just like that. Check for some corrosion, anything like that. You see a bunch of blue stuff, or you know, your bulb's real burnt and your socket in there is black. I'd recommend, you know, rewiring this, or if you don't know what you're doing, maybe take it to a mom and pop shop around you, have them check it out. Put the new one right in there, and just go back in just like you did taking it out. I'm gonna go ahead and use these channels and just tighten that up. Remember, this is plastic on plastic, so very gentle. As soon as you feel it stop, don't fight it, unless you're gonna snap something. I'll pop this guy back in here for now. I would recommend using a screwdriver for this. You don't want to over tighten the bolt, strip it out. In this case, I'm using impact, and after first click or so, should be good to go. I'm gonna get the truck turned on and see if you guys notice the difference. So now we've got this bulb in there. As you can see, this one is still your factory halogen. I'm gonna hit the unlock button and let you guys take a look at these. So there's your factory bulb. Then you come over here. Much bigger difference there. Looks a lot cleaner, and like I said, once it gets dark out here, it's gonna help out a lot backing on, especially with the tinted windows. So I do have reverse cam on this truck, so that'll also help that out a little bit, make it easier to see on the screen. So now I'm gonna get this other one in, and I'll show you guys the final product. All right, guys, just got this other one in. Now these really should only take you a couple minutes at most. Obviously take your time. Like I said, don't go running those screws in like crazy. Here we go. I'm gonna turn it on now, let you guys see the final product. Obviously a very noticeable difference. I don't know if you can really pick it up on camera or not, but definitely a lot brighter. So well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you like the tail lights or the third light, want to know where I got it, drop a comment and I will let you know where I got them. But definitely a big improvement on these. I would highly recommend them, especially for, you know, spending, I think they were like something like 12 bucks. quick little cheap upgrade. One more thing to make the truck look solid. So thanks for watching, and go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. See you guys soon.